feel like this is the very first time that I'm actually talking on this channel. So hi, welcome. It's so nice to have all of you here, and I cannot wait to share this journey with you guys. I'm so happy. This has been a long time coming. Actually, I should have started this a long time, but I don't know why I didn't start, and I guess I'm here and I just started. So if you do have anything that you're holding on to and you've tried to start, I mean, just start it. Honestly, like, what can happen? Like, what's the worst that can happen? Like, just start it. Anyways, today I will be doing some floral arrangements, and I just wanted to take you guys on the journey. Nothing serious, just something simple. I do have a setup coming up next weekend, and I'm just prepping for the decor that I have next weekend. So this floral arrangement would also be one of the things that we'll be using. So this would actually be, I think, I don't think, I actually know. So this so that my client is not watching this and is like, you think, you know. But yeah, this would actually be for the welcome sign outside. So it will just be like a quick floral arrangement, and I'll be using like some greenery, some roses, and just follow me as we do like this quick. It's not a tutorial, but I mean, you could also learn from it if you're trying to do like a floral arrangement or like a DIY floral arrangement for any party. I feel like you could also learn from this. So yeah, I would just get to the video because I don't want this video to be too long. So yes, I'll get to the video. But first, I'm gonna start by steaming my flowers. And the reason why I do that is, I don't know, I'm just gonna let it focus. So yes, so can you see the roses? So right now it's not looking fluffy, so what I want to do is steam it a bit so it can, have that fluffy look. And I'm just gonna show you one, and I'll just get to work, so you won't hear my voice again. I'll just get to work, and we'll see how the arrangement turns out. So yes, so this is my steamer, and I will just be steaming this one just to show you. So this is a before steaming, and then I'm just going to show you how it looks like after I steam it. And that's the essence of steaming your flowers just before any arrangement, So yeah, if my steamer decides to work. Okay. And what it actually what it does, I mean, is it opens up the flowers, and you can see how fluffy, and you can see the difference. So okay, I've actually fluffed that first one. So here is before and here is after. Can you see the difference between the two? So yes, this is how you want your roses to look like, not like this. So yes, let's get to work, guys. So I'm done steaming, guys, and I'm just gonna start the floral arrangement. So I'm just gonna carefully put this ones back here so that I can show you how I'm doing the floral arrangement. So I can show you how I'm doing the floral arrangement. So I'll be using this stand right here. I already cut the styrofoam to the size that I wanted, and I will just be attaching it to the frame and then start the floral arrangement. So here is my frame, and I'm just gonna put the frame right here. And this is where I will be attaching it because I just want it to be at the bottom of the frame. And I'll be using this to attach. So here it is attached, and I have my scissors right here, so I'll just be cutting this one off, and then this one. So now I'll be starting the floral arrangement, but I'll be starting with my greenery because I'll be using quite a lot of greenery. I do have different types of greenery here, so I will just start with my greenery. So I'll be starting with this, and I'll just be putting it at different angles of the styrofoam. Hi guys, so this is how the floral arrangement looks like. So like I said, this is going to be a welcome sign. So this is what's going to be outside just before the venue. So the reason why let me explain that. The reason why I'm using a smaller frame is because it's a small venue, and so I didn't want something that was too big that would outshine the venue, because it's gonna be like a pod. So I wanted to use something like a smaller frame just to kind of, you know, make it a focal point and not also rub off like the pod, like the use of the pod as the venue. So yes, so this is how the floral arrangement turned out. I absolutely love it. Like, it's so beautiful, and I cannot wait to see how it looks like, you know, once we put the signage and everything, and also like once we're done with the backdrops and, you know, the balance. But yes, I'll definitely take you guys on the journey. But yeah, for now, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for prepping with me, and I hope you were able to learn one or two things from this video. Yeah, I hope you were able to learn, and I hope you absolutely enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye. I just keep it real, high volume. Am I really that?